So in this video we'll talk about PayPal. PayPal is another online payment system just like Stripe. It also allows users to pay for their orders or for their food or anything either using their credit card or debit card. So just stay with me, and in the next part we'll try to configure PayPal for our application. Now the next step is going to create a PayPal account so we can update the PayPal configuration in the admin portal. First we need to go to the official website of PayPal. Let's go to PayPal, and then we need to go to the developers, but we can still go to that part from the home as well. If you do not have any account registered, since I have account, I'll just log in directly. You can sign up a new account if you do not have any old account of PayPal. It will ask for like basic details like email, password, and other basic information. Just insert those informations, and then you're good to go. Now, PayPal is another payment method, just like Stripe, that we will use in our mobile applications to pay for the orders. Now, since I'm testing, I'll just use the personal account, but for the protection, it is recommended. The business account is recommended. Just make sure that you sign up for the business account. Enatega is actually not a personal project. It is a project where different clients need to pay you, and this is like a two-way process. So it's recommended to have like a business account, but it depends on you. So just log in to the account. Now, since this is a personal account, this account will have limited features, but just cancel it and you can proceed. And we will be working in the sandbox environment. As I said, this is the testing environment. This is the sandbox environment. You have to upgrade to get access to business features. Now click on the apps and credentials. And here you have the default application. I'll click on create app. Just type the name. Since I got a warning for limited features, the creation might fail, but in your case, if you have some quota or if you're using business account, this will work fine. Just select the merchant, because I will receive payments as a seller, and then click on create. I am using a limited account, so my creation might fail, but once the creation is successful, you will have an application like this, and this is the default app, so I'll just use it for the time being for the testing purpose. So you have two things, the client ID and the client secret. Just copy the client ID and paste it over here, and for the client secret you can just copy the secret and go back to the configuration and paste it over here and click on save. This will update your configuration in the database.